These are some our stud roll pumping machines. This is on the track. This one is on track. All the stuff. This one is ready machines with punching holes. This is the hydraulic station with the pressure tanks, and this is for air cooling. This is the follow shear servo motor, follow punch servo motor. It's driven by the strong T type reducers. This is for the wise changes. For the wise change servo motor, Yaskawa brand. This is a big electric cabins with the AC, with the cabin to AC. This one is ready to shipment with protection cover. This one is another one, also same for different sizes of stud and tracks. This is the main motor. It is 18.5 kilowatt. So this is a bigger electric cabin. This is for semi-tires. Here is another unit of this heavy type of stud and track machines. This is a heavy type. Again, the T-type reducer motor, very stronger, 18.5 kilowatt motors, and very precision Yaskawa's motor by adjust the width and height automatically. This is the machine Max. Also a stud and track machine. It is a light type. As you can see, the driver is different. This is a normal reducer motors and the small cabins, and the main machine motors are also different. This is a light type. This is also for stud and track production. As you can see, this is a light type. The driven motors are normal reducer motors. Same as this one. It is for single size, not adjustable.